Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies Gordon Ramsay, only way. Start by melting chocolate and butter gently, then whisk eggs and sugar until pale and ribbon-like, fold in dry ingredients carefully, and bake just until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Cool completely before slicing into clean squares for perfect edges and glossy tops, and enjoy a rich, fudgy brownie with deep chocolate flavor. Preheat your oven and line an 8-inch pan while you prepare ingredients to save time. Melt chocolate and butter together slowly off direct heat, then combine eggs and sugar and whisk until slightly thickened. Fold in sifted flour and cocoa carefully to avoid overworking. Pour batter into the pan and tap gently to remove air pockets so brownies bake evenly with a glossy top and a moist center. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy, reliable recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which handles crumbs and keeps your kitchen tidy with voice control while you bake. I love the convenience for quick cleanup after dessert prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bake with focus and patience to achieve that perfect fudgy interior and slightly crisp edges. Use a thermometer if you like, but a toothpick with moist crumbs is your best indicator. Rotate the pan halfway if your oven bakes unevenly, and resist the urge to overbake. Once out of the oven, cool on a wire rack, then chill briefly to firm up the center for cleaner slices and a more intense chocolate experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.